Hi, I'm Patrick Bark with Abrolia. At this point, you've chosen the turnkey solution for our Skydell software, GSG-8. So the first thing you're going to do once it arrives is unbox it. So I've laid out everything here that will come in the box. So first we have our accessories, then we have our unit, and then we have the foam that protects the unit. So this foam is anti-static and it's specifically made for the GSG-8. So it is definitely a good idea to hang on to not only this foam, but the box as well, just in case you need to ship this back to us, ship it to another location, or just put it into storage for a little while you're in the middle of different projects or anything like that. So hang on to all of that. So what you are going to be looking at once you have everything out of your box, and make sure you have removed everything from your box. The first thing you're going to be looking at here is your ancillary kit. So this is going to have a number of different accessories in it. First, you have your 3 attenuators. Then you have 2 male MCX to female BNC cables. Next up, we have 4 SMA to SMA on LMR cable assemblies. There's also a 5th cable of this type that's a bit longer. Now we have a USB cable, followed by the U-Blocks receiver. There's also a DC block female SMA to male SMA RF connector, a power cord, and then our 4-way combiner. The last thing you should find here is your dongle that holds your product license. Next, you are going to look at your unit here. So you have the front of the unit and the rear of the unit. In the rear, you have the plug for your power cord, you have the on-off switch, and you have your hybrid mode. In the next area, you have your different display connections. And next, you have various USB connections, Ethernet connections, and a VGA connection. You also have various plugs on the right side here. So the top plug does have a terminator on it. That protects that plug while you don't have the SMA cable plugged into it. At the front of the unit, you have your front panel. So you can unscrew this and drop down, showing the inside components of this unit. So on the left, you have the on-off switch, and then you have your reset switch, and then you have the hard disk activity light, and then you have your power light. You have some USB plugs, and then under all of those you have the fans. So the fans have a filter on it. This also opens up, and once it's open you can remove to clean that filter. And then in the middle you have the exhaust area for the air to get out of. And then you also have where hard drives can be inserted. So at this point, you may still have further questions about the GSG-8 and how to actually set up and use it. Please watch our other videos to give you more information on that. And if you have further questions, please contact our support team. Thank you.